Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Reviews back with another video, and today we're taking a look at 10 amazing apps that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device in 2023. Now most of these will be super useful and most of them are actually brand new apps that you probably never heard before. Go ahead, take a look at these apps, try them out on your device. You will probably use a lot of them on a daily basis. The first app for the video will be an app called Unscreen. Now this is a super useful app that is very simple to use. It allows you to passcode lock any app on your iPhone, also hide any app on your iPhone. It's very easy to use. You go to the app and you tap right here to add a new section. So what you want to do here is select the apps you want to lock with a passcode, or select the apps you want to hide from your phone, or even block different websites that you might want to block. So what you need to do here is of course enter a name. Once you have entered the name, choose the time here when you want to actually lock or hide these apps. So once we go here, let's go with password lock. Let's go here to social and let's lock Instagram. Click on the done button, done here, and we're good to go. Now you can also start a new session right here, maybe with some apps you want to hide or something like that. You can create any different sessions you want, and just like that you can see the Instagram app is now actually locked. Tap there and you can see it says Instagram lock, and all we have here is an option to close it. Of course, once you want to unlock it, you can actually just go to the app. You will have here the session, tap on end session, you're good to go. Your apps have been now unlocked. Charging time is the next app for this video. Now this app will let you know how much time you need to charge your iPhone to a certain point. Now here you will have the app. You can see current status is unplugged, current battery level, and then target battery level. Of course you can set the target from here, and then it will show you basically how many minutes and at which hour your iPhone will be charged at that level that you want. And you will have to choose here the way you're charging your iPhone, whether you're using a computer, your charger, your car, or maybe a battery pack. So right here now I'm using my computer. I plug my device into charge, and you can see once it's plugged in and charging, it will start charging and it will show me how much time I need to charge my iPhone. And right here you can choose the level to see the times better, so 4 minutes to 60%, 70%, 15 minutes, and then you can switch here between like different minutes and the dates as well, and take a look at how much charging your iPhone needs to the certain point of time, which is really useful. Now if you go here, you can also add your charger. So by default you will have the computer, you will have your charger, your car, and the battery pack. You can add other items if you want to, and then you will have the settings where you can set the level to which you want to charge your iPhone and then display the time right on the app. The next app for the video is called Highlighter. Now I did show this app a few months ago on one of my videos, but I had to include it on this video because it's a super useful app and it has some really cool new features. So what it does, it allows you to hide any text you want on a picture, maybe a screenshot you want to share with someone. You probably go ahead and use the markup tool of iOS to just hide something. With this app, that can be done really easily. So you go ahead and pick the magic right there, the magic highlighter, and you can just swipe like this on any word or sentence you want, and you can see it will actually hide it automatically for you. Of course, you can choose like different colors if you want to, so let's hide that. And just like that, it will do the job for you, and it works really good. You can of course delete that, so you just choose the eraser. Just like that, you can delete anything you want. And what's really cool is that you can actually search for words. So if I just go ahead and search here for download, it will find that word. Tap on done, it will actually hide that word for me. As easy as that. And of course, once you're done, tap the little share button and you can save this image or share it anywhere you want with the words that you want hidden. Next up is Swiper. Now Swiper is a free app that allows you to just organize your photos, delete any photos or screenshots that you don't need very easily. So right here on the home screen you will see all your photos, and then you will have every month in which you have different photos. You can go to a specific month and take a look at those photos, or you're gonna go ahead and switch to screenshots or switch to your videos. So while on the screenshots right here, I can swipe like this to delete a screenshot, swipe like that to keep a screenshot, swipe again here if I want to delete these, And once I am done with that, all I have to do now is just tap that button, and from here tap on the delete button. Those photos are now deleted from my camera roll. As easy as that, you can organize your iPhone and of course delete all the different photos that you probably don't need and still have on your iPhone. Especially screenshots, we take a lot of screenshots. This will make it very easy for you to delete any one of them. PiP Splitware is the next app for the video. Now this app will let you place anything you want on the picture-in-picture mode, whether that's a bullet chat, a to-do list, a browser, any website you want, like a timer, maybe a countdown or something like that, or any of your media, whether that's a photo or it's maybe a video from your camera roll. You can place pretty much anything you want and anything you need on the picture-in-picture mode. So let's tap here and choose some of the pictures from the photo gallery. So that we have 4 different pictures that we have selected, and now all I have to do is tap right here, and there we have the picture on the picture-in-picture mode. Now this one, we can also go to the other ones by simply skipping like that. It's as easy as that. You can actually have a lot of photos, any number of photos you want. You need to take a note from something or like that. You can have a photo there, document, a website, anything you want, and it works really good. Now the only thing I don't like about this app is that it actually has a ton of different ads that it shows. That's the downside about this app. Otherwise it's great and it works really well. The next app for the video is called Input. Now this app will allow you to turn your iPhone into a mouse or a keyboard for your computer. Whether you use Mac or Windows, you can use this on your iPhone, and of course once you have it installed, you open the app, it will show you a link there from where you can get the client for your computer. Once you have done that, it starts scanning and it will find your computer, and there you will have of course the mouse. Here we have the trackpad. We can actually click here. I don't know if you notice right there in the background, I can open stuff on my computer. It's really great. Of course, you will have the keyboard here. You will have all the inputs you need. You have a scroller right here to scroll around. You will have your pictures here. You will have the backwards, forwards, all that. Going into the menu right there, you can just add gestures. You can reset the keyboard, edit the keyboard any way you like. It's really easy to use, and again, super useful. It turns your iPhone into a trackpad and also into a keyboard. The next app for the video is called Veed. Now this app will add automatic captions to your videos. Whether you have a video saved on your camera roll or you want to record a new video, you can do that directly from here and then add the captions. It works really well and it's actually super simple to use. Now all you have to do is just again load your video and tap on add captions. It will work in 40 different languages. That's really cool. And there you have right there the captions that it will add, but of course you will have also here the ability to just go ahead and customize these, so you can have like different styles if you want to. If you go to format right here, you can choose the format of the video if you want to crop it. And then of course, if something is wrong with the transcriptions, with the captions that it has added, you can go ahead and edit it from here. Again, you go to styles, you can just go ahead and choose any style you want, choose the position where you want to place the captions, and you're good to go. Once you have done all this, just tap the share button and save the video with the captions included. Next up is Image Finder. Now on the App Store, you will find a ton of different image finders, but a lot of them will have a ton of ads and don't actually work this good as this app. This one is really cool and by far my favorite of these kind of apps. So you can go ahead and import from the camera roll, paste an image that you have copied to your clipboard, or just paste an image from a URL, and then of course it will search the web for that image. So let's just go ahead and import one from the camera roll. Once you have loaded the image here, you will have the option to actually crop it if you want to, but if you don't want to, just tap on the done button and you're good to go. It will take you to the browser over here, and you can see you have actually 3 different options, 3 different search engines that you can use to search for your image. You will have Google, Bing, and Yandex as well. So you basically take a look at any of these and see which of them will give you the better result. And right here you can see we have already found our picture. There it is on this website right here. Now we're not going to scroll here to find it, but again, you can see how easy it will actually find any image that you need. It's really cool and it works pretty fast. When it comes to images, here's an app that I really like that has just recently been released. It is called Wallspic. It offers a ton of beautiful wallpapers for your iPhone. Now this is the home screen of the app where you will find all the newer wallpapers here. You will find the popular ones here, and then you can go to just random wallpapers and find maybe a wallpaper that you like in here. What I love about this app is that when you tap on one of the wallpapers, it actually gives you the option to swipe like this, and it will also give you like suggestions of similar wallpapers to that one, which is really great. You will also have actually the option to crop the wallpapers here before even downloading them to your device, which is really amazing. Now, of course, you will have here the different categories that you can go ahead and browse. You will have, again, for each of the category, you will have the new, popular, and the randoms as well. Also, if we go back, you can see we have the search section and you have a favorite section. Now let's just go here and let me show you guys how you download these. So if you want to download one of them, first of all, you can tap right there if you want to see how it actually looks on your lock screen and home screen. Once you're done with that, you tap that button. You will have the option to actually download the portrait mode, which is the one that will fit the screen of your iPhone, or the original size. If it's in a different size than the portrait mode, you can download it from here. And last but not least is Multi+Timer. Now this is a newer app, again, that has recently been released. I know there are a lot of timer apps. This one is free. You can use it for free, create as many timers as you want. So you can see right here, tap the plus button, and you can go ahead, add a timer or a stopwatch. It's really simple to use. Choose a color right there, add a name here, and you're good to go. You tap the done button, you can start all these timers together, or if you don't want to, you can start as many as you want, and then you go to active here and you will see only your active timers, which is really cool. Now if you want to delete any of them, just swipe like this and you're good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 10 amazing iPhone apps that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device in 2023. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to download any of these apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.